I'm Vanessa Barboni Hallik, founder and CEO of Another Tomorrow. Another Tomorrow is an end-to-end sustainable brand with a deep commitment to animal, human, and environmental welfare, as well as transparency and a circular economy. We want to change the concept of luxury. Luxury is and will always be about quality, but we also want luxury to be about information, to be about the story, to be about longevity. We're personalizing transparency by creating a unique digital identity for every single piece of clothing we create that is then turned into its physical form through a QR code on the care content label of every single garment. And this allows a very personalized approach to seeing how the provenance of a garment is actually created. So you can see from the farm all the way up to the moment that the product was manufactured and shipped to our warehouse, every step of the way. 78% of consumers say it's important for a company to be transparent. And for a long time, it was enough just to say the word. But now what I think customers are actually looking for is the underlying information about how a product is made. And the perfect way to do that is through a digital identity. And it was really through me getting to know everything that I was able to say, this is an incredible technology that can utilize all of this data that we are already capturing and visualize it for the customer. We chose to work with EVRYTHNG because they are incredibly experienced in the apparel space. There was obvious proof of concept that was already in place. We loved that they had already done provenance work in the food sector, which I thought was incredibly unique, and they were both nimble and ready for scale. So EVRYTHNG really brings our sustainability and commitment to transparency to life. In the absence of this ability to digitize a product and convey it in such a personal way to the customer, you risk putting a ton of information on a website that never gets read. So it's absolutely critical to us that we bring this information to life for our customer. It also creates an architecture for us going forward. So by starting out being incredibly transparent, it keeps us honest forever. We set that standard and we'll live by it for the life of the company.